Hi, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change the wallpaper on HP Chromebook 14A. In order to do so, first of all, go to the settings. So let's find them, and now you can simply go to the wallpaper and style. Then click on set your wallpaper and style, and you can select a wallpaper. So let's click on the wallpaper. Now you can set it from a big base of different photos provided by Chrome OS, or select one from Google Photos. And that's what I'm gonna do. Let's just find a good enough photo, although I don't think there will be some good enough photos. Maybe let's set this one just to make it simple. You can center it or fill it. You can see how it changes in the background. It has different meanings. Now as I go back, I've actually exited the whole wallpaper setting mode, but yeah, you can change the system colors based on your wallpaper, or disable that option if you don't want that, but I think it looks quite great, so I'm gonna leave it. Then you can also set it to light or dark. I prefer it light. And you can also go to Screensaver, but first you need to turn it on. And that's basically it for this video. I hope it was helpful, and that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.